Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. In this video, we will talk about CDSCO registration for cardiac pacemakers. A cardiac pacemaker is a medical device that produces electrical impulses given by electrodes to induce the heart's muscle chamber, the upper or the atria, and the lower or the ventricles to contract and so pump blood. This is different from natural pacemaker of the heart. This gadget thus takes the place of the heart's electrical conduction system or controls its operation. Our heart is often described as pump and that's what it does. But it's a little more complicated than most people realize. Your heart has 4 chambers and they contract and relax in a particular rhythm. The rhythm is controlled by electrical impulses. A pacemaker can send electrical signals when your heart's electrical system doesn't work as it should. The 4 chambers of your heart might pulse at different rates and with different rhythms when something is wrong with them. An arrhythmia is characterized by an abnormally fast or sluggish or unpredictable heartbeat. Arrhythmias come in a variety of forms. By delivering the correct electrical impulse or signals, a pacemaker can adjust your heart's rhythm and beat rate. These days, some pacemakers also serve as implantable defibrillators and can shock your heart. If you have had a heart attack, your risk of ventricular tachycardia is higher than usual. Let's discuss what CDSCO is and what are its roles and benefits. It is the National Drug Regulatory Authority of Government of India's Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) exercises regulatory control over the quality of drug, cosmetics and notified medical devices in the country. It is the Central Drug Authority for discharging functions assigned to central government under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act to protect and promote public health in India, to safeguard and enhance public health by assuring the safety, efficacy and quality of drugs, cosmetics and medical devices are some of the roles of CDSCO. So, moving further, let's discuss what are the eligibility criteria for the registration of cardiac pacemakers. The provisions related to manufacturing and import of medical devices are regulated under the provisions of Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945. So, anyone with the wholesale license and manufacturing license issued under Drugs and Cosmetics Acts of 1940 and Rules 1945 can apply for this registration. The procedure for registration or import of existing medical device or any new medical device or to make a cardiac pacemaker is very easy. To simplify it for you, I have divided it into 4 steps. First is determine whether your device is under notified list or not. Step 2, appoint an authorized representative in case of a foreign entity, that is when you import the machines from foreign companies or foreign nations. Fill out the appropriate form for registration. Fourth step, obtain a certificate of registration in the prescribed form. The next important thing is that you should know about the documents required to fill this application for registration. The first document is Form 40, ISO 13485 certificate, full quality assurance, plant master report, device master file, etc. are the mandatory documents required for the registration. This process may take up to 3 to 6 months. This is where Corpbiz rolls in. Our expert team eases up the process for you. If you are looking for any such license and registrations, contact our expert team. For more such content, subscribe to our channel Corpbiz. Thank you.